welcome to my vlog. Myself. Oh, tagaw. This is my first vlog. Akong first phone.
Okay.
Nagihatag. Thank you so much, Tito. Ako lang i-insert ang video kung unsa siya. I mean, unsa ako reaction. Oh, so naami diri karon sa Panaraga Beach. Naami diri sa Inday Kubo or sa tawag nila dali. If nakanhi mo sa Panaraga, you will know this spot.
Okay.
When you see this, like, yes, that big tent inside of the Kubo, you'll know what I mean. Hinga ng paligid. This is my sister. She has Bessie playing the blocks and everything. Kilig jud. Nabubuang na ako dito. Wala man. Buti ka pa, alam mo na meron, na wala naman. No, I don't have one. Why would I have? Kisa man ako yab.
Bruh.
Si Clifford daw, bitch. Ig-agaw man ako si Clifford. Ig-agaw na to.
Time lapse sa jam.
Rek! Tawagan sila, Rek!
Uy, nabungol na.
Uy, wala naman yung dalawang sa kirok ni.
Layon na. May performance ng
Walay atubangan.
Walay dalawang ng kuan.
Kulatan na nila.
Basi makalimtan na ning kanon.
Nike, anay, Mang Tomas dito sa karton.
Uy, basig. Bruh.
I'm doing a vlog for memories. It's my manhood, little bro. Flashlight yourself, please. Yes. You flashlight me for a bit. I'm gonna do like a tomorrow. Tonight is
Will be the night.
did I fall for you? Yes, so this is my outro. See you tomorrow. Hi, good morning. I'm here sa Panagapin sa Baybay. You can see ako sa duyan. Nakamata ko because saba kay sila. Mga tulog na sila. Tapos kayon po at the same time. Di bangon ko. I need to bangon kasi lain kay sa feeling ihiin ka. Tapos natutulog ka or something. Gusto ko sana ma-sleep balik. But the time is 3:30 na ata.
Okay.
Basta 3:30 na. Pahangin na lang ganun. Mag-tour ako paghayag na. Pero muna ang view sa night. Wala among cottage.
Okay.
Nag-rent akong tito. A big tent dito. So steady kalay. Say bye. It's 5 a.m. na. And we data mag-sleep. Kaya ma-watch the sunrise.
Okay.
I'm here sa CR nila. Women. It's so nice here. Static. Have their shower area something. And a dog. We're going to watch the sunrise. I don't know what time the sunrise is. So we watch together the sunrise. There
What?
is
Tinawa, oy.
no sunrise.
Yes, we got scammed.
No
I rate this.
sunrise.
I rate this 2 out of 10. 2 for the quality. Graphics. Time-lapse na? Dili.
Dili.
Ay, scammer. Bro got scammed twice.
Wala naman. There is no sunrise. We waited
No sunrise. Yeah.
for. Let me store you.
Wrong Graham, bro.
It's so dark. But the view is 10 out of 10. This is the lighting. I'm gonna show you my old phone.
Happy Thursday.
O, diba? Tagal lag-on. Yes. It's 6 a.m. in the morning. No sunrise. It's kind of sad, but it's okay. Look at the view. So I'm gonna watch the view tomorrow. Or later. I'm gonna go back to sleep. So it's so nice here. Yeah, we're going to sleep na. There's no sunrise. So sad. Still asleep. I'm gonna go to sleep. It's 9:30. Hi, Mama. Morning. Let's go outside. We're inside of the inside of the tent. Yung tinulugan namin. Yes, we look like upaw.
Okay.
This is what the tent look like inside. Na sila'y bed and 3 little 1, 2, 3. There is they also have a pin beside the wow, look, it's giving shell. They must pin color this. So nice. And it's giving static like a we need natural light. Makeup because why not, so that we look confident enough. Para tagka-plastaran. Yeah, that's fine. Gamits. And this is the only mirror that I bring. Sunscreen. We're vlogging right now. Tito Wawi nagtanaw. Yan na. Naman din akong uncle. Wala kayo. Buwan nila ala yung signalan. Yan na lang niyo.
Bas, yun to si Lira. Mark Anthony Lira.
Ayah.
Kwat ko naman lagi, bali-bali na yung pangalan.
Vlog data. The lighting is not lightening. But it's okay. It's for vlogging.
Mag-end na kong live. Wala daw signal dari abay.
It's my mama. Hi mama. Hi ka sa aking vlog. Hi. Hala, hi ka sa...
Nagamit ang sand ba?
Pictorial. Hello. Kuha na gini diri.
Tanawar gud na yung ilo. Tugnaw na.
Wow, nalingaw na siya. Ligo.
Meron na. Bayang kamot be. Taro nga ayo pag iyo. Against the light man oy. Against the light ka bay.